Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial using all my, well, not all of them, but most of my project pans. So I've been wanting to do this look for a good amount of time, and with BoxyCharm coming in and a couple other things happening that I haven't been able to sit down and film it. And I actually did record a project pan using my tutorial using all my project pans, and the video was like on sideways, or my face was horizontal, and it was bad. And as soon as I flipped it, the video was like that big, and I'm just like, screw it, I'm just gonna film something else. And you know, yeah, so here I am going to do this for you guys. I don't really know what kind of look I want to do today. I'm just gonna go and experiment and see what I like. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and if you aren't already subscribed, what are you doing? Hit that little subscribe button down there and come be a part of this little family we got going on here, because I would love to have you guys. So I'll see you in... Let's just jump right into this video. I just hate how you can't see my cat ears. Anyways, so I already did my eyebrows, and I did use the Essence Make Me Brow. I'm still on the fence about that stuff, but I am just going to include it in my project pan. That way I can just use the darn thing up. So I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. Shadow Lock Primer, and I'm just going to go ahead and prime my eyes because I didn't do that. And by the way, I dug my nail into this palette actually when I was recording the video, so you know, that really does suck, because I actually, now that I'm really using it, I'm like, why haven't I been using this all the time? I really actually do like it. I'm just kind of surprised I didn't already do that, like use it more. But you guys are going to see in a future video of me doing my whole makeup collection and how much makeup I actually have. Which doesn't include any of my haul stuff yet, so what you're seeing is before the stuff that I got, and I have another haul going to be going up sometime after words, because I got a bunch of Morphe stuff to go and try out. Well, I already have a Morphe palette, but I wanted to go get, I got some other ones. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in. I'm not going to set it or anything. I'm just going to, you know, just blend it in. This stuff doesn't really crease on me too much. It actually does lock down, which I'm kind of surprised for like a cheapo kind of product. So then I'm going to be taking my LA Colors eyeshadow. It's like a really nice, I mean, on camera it looks a couple shades darker than my skin tone. It's not too much darker, believe it or not. I mean, it almost looks equivalent, but in person, this has more pink. This has more pink than my face. So I'm just going to be taking that on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to be putting that into the crease. I'm just going to really like roughly throw it in there, because I'm not going to be too particular on where I put it. I love these shadows. They're so pigmented, and they're 50 cents. So I already know as soon as I run out of one, I am totally going to go and buy another, because they're 50 cents, and I think they blend like a dream. And I actually found like a really good, like nice transition shade for any type of eye look I want. So I think it's just absolutely perfect. And if you have a Dollar General, you can find them at Dollar General. I would think anywhere that has LA Colors makeup should have it. And they have like a bunch of, they have shimmers and they have mattes, and I think the mattes are beautiful. Next I'm going to be taking my LA Colors single eyeshadow in the shade Secret. Now this is more of a gray toned purple. Like, I'm going to show you guys the difference of the two eyeshadows, because they're both very beautiful. So, I mean, this one's a lot more pink. I mean, this is, on the camera, it does look a couple shades darker, but it is more purple when you actually see it in person. So I'm just going to take on the same brush, tap off the excess, and I'm just going to put it in the crease as well. And I'm not going to be too particular on where I put it. Well, obviously in the crease, but I'm just going to really messily throw it in there. I'm just not going to be like, you know, absolutely perfect. But I really do like the color that these two shadows make when you blend them together. It just makes a really, it almost makes a really nice blush color. Like, I feel like I could almost use this as well as blush, like a really nice natural blush. Well, I might as well try that out sometime. Next, I'm going to be taking the LA Colors Matte Single Eyeshadow in the shade Forbidden. And this one's more of like a brick red. Now, it doesn't, looks more like fiery. I don't know if my camera's focusing. Hold on. My phone. Let's be honest. It looks more of a fiery kind of red. It's more of a brick in person because it's not that light. So take whatever kind of brick red you have. I'm just going to take it on a flat shader brush. I'm really going to tap off that excess. And I'm just going to go ahead and pack it onto my lid and take it up to the crease. So I'm just going to tap it all on. This is a very beautiful shade. I do wish it was a little bit more darker though. I've never actually packed this color on my lid, so this is definitely something different. Now if you guys hear my dog, just ignore him. He's season. The people around my block just let their dog, one of their dogs, wander around. And he goes on the couch and to kind of like search for that dog. So just ignore that. He's just crying because he can't go outside to see the dog. So I'm actually going to go ahead and take the same, where's that crease brush? Ooh. So now I dipped into both of the LA Colors Whisper and Secret, which are the two colors we put in the transition area, in the crease. And I'm just going to go and take it and really blend out that red to kind of soften it just at the edges where the colors meet. Now I want to let you guys know I have no idea what I am doing with this eyeshadow look. So this could come out really good, or this could come out like a bag of shit. But so far it is something I don't normally do, let's put it that way. So, now I think I'm gonna go into, now I'm gonna go and take this really beautiful gold baked shimmer eyeshadow. That's what it looks like. I'm just gonna take that on my finger, and where should I put that? That's right there. And I'm just gonna go and put it on my, I'm just gonna put it on my lid. Like right on top of the red. And I'm not gonna bring it up to the crease, I'm just gonna go ahead and just put it right on top. We do have some fallout going on. Well, it's definitely different, that's for sure. You ever do a makeup look and you're just like doing whatever and then you're just looking at it and you're just like, yeah, that's when I got creative. And it just looks like a bunch of shit. Kind of feel like I had a better idea in my mind. I wish I just had a better brush to apply this. Now I'm not making this a cut crease or anything, so I'm just going to be taking just a random crease brush, and I think I'm going to go dip back into that red burgundy kind of color, and I'm just going to go and apply that to the crease and to kind of blend everything together to make sure that that gold shimmer doesn't have a harsh line. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. I don't know if it's just me. I think red kind of makes me look a little bit sickly. I don't know if it's really picking up on camera. Now, if I took it underneath my lash line, I'd probably look like I'm dead or really, really ill. So I'm just going to be taking a flat brush. Ooh, there's a hair. I shed so much. I shed 24/7. Not really, but anyways, I'm going to take a flat brush like this. And if you guys don't have this palette, the L'Oreal La Nude 2 palette, Just take any dark purple you have. I'm just going to be taking this purple right here, which is a really deep plum. Or a mauve. No, it's just plum. What am I saying? I'm just going to take that on the brush. And right at the very lower lash line here, I'm going to go and scoot you guys in. And I'm just going to go and put it at the base of my lashes. Right there. Now, it's not really transferring as purple as I want it to. I want like a really deep purple, but we can always build it up. So I'm just going to go ahead and stamp that on the bottom, right near my lash line. I'm just going to try and really pack it. This looks like it's looking a bit interesting, I would say the least. Now I'm just going to take this random purple eyeliner that I got from Sephora, and I'm just going to go and like try to put it near my lash line. That pencil freaking hurts. Okay, and let me just try and warm it up in the back of my hand first before I gouge out my eye. It's not really that pigmented. I mean, meh. Alright, change of plan. I'm going to put it on my lower lash line. I mean my waterline. What's that doing equivalent to? Nothing as well. Okay, well, I'm going to take a different route now. Now I'm going to be taking that same purple and I'm just going to put that on my lower lash line. Try and really get it really pigmented. Because I'm honestly, like, I'm okay with this look. But in my head, it was definitely a lot more bold. Like, the purple was a lot more vibrant than what this is. So I'm really just going to go ahead and smoke that out. And then I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into that gold that we used, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that with our finger. I'm just going to put that maybe, I don't know, we'll see. I think I'll just put that right above the purple, like right in the center. And just kind of tap with another finger to kind of blend it out. So that way we get a nice little effect. My eyes are watering. Jeez Louise. I think I need more on this eye. Now if you really want more red, I think I'm going to go back and do more red actually. I'm just going to go and take it on another fluffy brush like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and just boop boop, tap off the excess because this is very pigmented. I'm just going to go ahead and like add some more into the crease just very lightly. Like I'm barely even touching my skin. And just really kind of add more of that red tone because I definitely think we did lose some. This is very interesting. Should have went for a bolder brow. That sucks. So I think I may just add a little bit of red underneath the lash line, like a little bit, a touch, just a little bit. So I'm going to take that same flat brush and whatever's left on the brush that you use, that's okay. I'm just going to go ahead and take that. I'm going to put it underneath the lash line. And kind of really smoke that out. Kind of marrying the purple and the red together to get a really nice, beautiful shade. Which, I don't know what the heck is happening with my lashes, but they're kind of going a little crazy. That's okay. So I'm just going to go ahead, and do the other eye off camera, and I will be right back. So I'm just going to go ahead and go back into that shade, the gold baked shade. And I'm just going to take that on a finger again. I usually like using this with a finger. And I'm just going to pop that on my inner corner with just a tap. Not too much, but just enough to give it a little bit of life and bring the focal point to your eyes, because you got so much makeup going on. It's so freaking, it's not really that dark, but you know, might as well, right? So I think I'm going to go and use my Wet n Wild mascara off of camera, and I'll just go ahead and put on some lipstick. Ugh, I got like hair in my eyes. And then I'll be right back. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my Wet n Wild Mega Last Catsuit Liquid Lipstick in the shade Harbor a Crush, which is a very, very beautiful looking metallic red. I think this looks a lot better with this eye look than just a plain blood red, because the one that I have is too red, and I think this one actually, here, I think these two complement each other very, very well. So I'll just be, well, I mean, on the camera it looks more red, but in person it definitely complements each other. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that on, and I will see you guys in a bit. And this is the finished look, you guys. Like, I am really enjoying this look. Actually, more than I thought. Especially with this lip color and the eyes. I definitely enjoy it. Now, I just remembered, as soon as I'm putting on my lipstick, I'm like, I have a burgundy lip liner. Oh well, I definitely like how this looks, and I hope you guys like it too. If you do love this look, please give it a thumbs up if you love this look, and if you guys do wind up trying this look, let me know down in the comments what you think. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, I don't know what I'm going to call this look. I might call it like, sorry, I'm just looking at my mirror behind me. I think I might call it like dusk. Is it dusk or sunset when there's red in the sky? Red and purples. I think I might call it, and gold. I'll go and Google search it. But anyways, I'll try and call it something like that. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.